If you're watching this, I want to slow things down right away. This isn't motivational content, and it's not about pushing you to feel better or move on. This is orientation. You don't need to agree with everything I say. You don't need to take notes. Just stay with me and notice what lands. This series is here to help you understand what actually happened to you, why trusting yourself suddenly feels difficult, and how to stabilize your internal compass before you make any big decisions. This is for you if, after a toxic or abusive relationship, you find yourself thinking things like, I don't trust my judgment anymore. How did I miss this? What if I choose wrong again? Maybe on the outside your life looks okay, but internally everything feels shaky and overchecked. If you're looking for quick confidence hacks or hype, this probably isn't for you. But if you feel clear one moment, then completely unsure the next, and exhausted by constantly second-guessing yourself, you're in the right place. Here's something most people don't understand. You don't lose your self-trust after an abusive relationship. You lose it inside the relationship, gradually. Over time, your internal reference point erodes. Decision clarity fades. Emotional safety disappears. And eventually, internal authority goes with it. That doesn't mean you're broken. It means the system you use to evaluate reality was under sustained pressure for a long time. This is why advice like, just trust your gut again, doesn't help. Your system adapted, intelligently, to stay safe. Your self-trust wasn't broken, it was overridden. I'm not here because I've mastered this or fixed anyone. I'm here because I've lived the collapse of self-trust and learned how to recognize the pattern when it's happening. When I finally had language for what was going on, I could make decisions again. I could leave. I could move forward. But what came clear later was this. Insight restores movement, not full internal safety. Today, insight is everywhere. Videos, articles, AI, frameworks. Insight can explain what happened. It can even help you make a clean break. But insight can't finish the job. It can't rebuild trust in real time. It can't catch self-doubt as it shows up. It can't regulate pacing while your internal authority recalibrates. That part doesn't happen in isolation. Most people try to rebuild self-trust alone, not because they want to, but because they think that's what they're supposed to do. What actually works is structure, clear sequencing, external reference points, a space where you don't have to self-validate every step while your nervous system settles. Not forever, just long enough for your internal authority to come back online. This is step one. If this is helping things make sense, there's a structured next phase that walks through the rest, slowly and clearly without rushing. You can find that below if and when you're ready. And if not, that's okay. You're welcome to stay right here and go at your own pace. In the next video, we'll talk about why losing your self-trust happens so gradually and why it's not a personal failure. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video.